Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Kitty, the Crappy Crafter. Today, we're going to be working on another Craft Kitsune kit. So, this one, I think it was creepy something. I vaguely remember something about eyeballs, so let's get right into it. Alright, let's see what we get inside. Little spider charms. Little pieces of glitter, holographic, some bales, some 2-part epoxy resin, some more bales, UV resin, a little cup to measure, eye molds and worms and teeth and the pamphlet, and let's just get right into making it. So I'm going to use some UV resin because it does say it works with UV resin. And just remember that you have to cure your UV resin for a really, really long time if you add any kind of solid pigment to it. And chances are really good that it won't be cured in the center no matter how much curing you do if you use an opaque pigment. Now here, I tried the white, and the white just wasn't making it white enough, so I'm going to go in with some mica powder, and I will put in a couple more drops of the white anyways, and it'll be very, very white. Okay, that was a little bit more than a couple, but hey, you know, if it works, I think they come out really cute. So there's two different styles of eyes. There's like human type eyes and monster eyes. The monster eyes are flat on one side, and you can see that there are a couple of bigger iris molds there on the left side of the mold. I'm going to do the tooth. The tooth is huge, but it's cute. The smaller eyes they have a cavity in them that perfectly fits the smaller irises. Really cute. This particular UV resin came from the last kit. I got some browns and some wheats, and there might have been a white. I don't remember. Yeah, there's a white as well. They work really, really well. The items here are small enough that they should be cured all the way through. But like I said, you have to be careful when you use a solid pigment on UV resin because you have to cure it for a really, really long time. And yeah, so this particular resin, the first red one was from the last kit. This red one is from this kit, and it is a 3-dimensional resin. It is a very stiff resin, which is nice. It's gonna make some mighty fine veins later. This black UV resin was also from the last kit. It had a lot of bubbles in it. And we're going to cure the hell out of this. I think I cured the eyeballs for like 10 minutes or more. Just to make sure. I love the little pupils. Those are all little pupils. And then the worms are super cute. And then the eyes. Now this is a monster eye. It has a flat spot to hold a large iris. And this has the inset spot to hold the small iris, and it's got a flat spot on the back, which could probably also hold the large iris, but I didn't check. I don't think I don't think it would though. I think it's slightly too small. Here we're going to plop in some of the pupils, and then I'm going to use some gem UV resin that I got. I don't remember where I got it from. I think I got it from a Sophie and Toffee kit. Yeah, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I think those were Sophie and Toffee. And they're really nice. The problem with these, though, is they are not mixed very well. So when I pour out some of the blue, you can see that there are streaks and striations because the color is not mixed in very well. I don't know if it's separated or if it was always like that. It's been a while since I used it, like months, so I don't remember what it was like the first time I used it. But I think it adds character. It's gonna come out just fine in the end anyway. Now you can see around the heart there's like some streaks of blue. We'll try to mix that in, but like I said, I think it adds character. That won't need to be cured quite so much because, oh, I had forgotten to take the tooth out. Anyways, those won't need to be cured quite so much because they are fully transparent. But you do have to remember to cure both sides. And look at that, it fits in there perfectly. A little bit of UV resin underneath those and they will stick on real nice. I did not put enough UV resin on this one, and you can tell. You'll be able to see an almost mirror-like effect on the back of the iris later, and that's because I didn't put on enough UV resin to bridge the gap between the two pieces. But you know what? First try, I think it came out really cute. What do you guys think? And I know the video is a little late. I was gonna put it up last week, but I actually forgot that I had completed it. And then I had to edit the video and all of that, but there it is. There's all the stuff. Isn't it cute? I think it's super cute. I think it came out really well. And now, let's make one eye super veiny. And I think this stuff works really, really well. As long as you don't push very, very hard, not very much will come out. It's a very fine tip. I think it works really well. I'm gonna do a spot cure on every one of them so that I can touch them and not smear them. And then I will cure them underneath my nail lamp for a good amount of time. I don't know, I think they came out really cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and all that stuff and, you know, standard YouTuber, you know, stuff. And with this, I will put it under a proper lamp and let it cure for a good amount of time because it is semi-opaque, so you want to make sure that it's nice and cured. But I think it came out super creepy cute. I love creepy cute things. And there it all is. How cute is that? I love it. Well, that was really super an easy kit to do. I really liked it. I really enjoy these eye molds. I thought they were a lot of fun. I love this inset bit here. It's different than standard eye molds, which just gives you a little concave bit that you then have to fill with a colored resin. But I really like how these go together. It's nice. It's a lot of fun. I really like this red resin. That is very cool. The tooth is, you know, it's a tooth. It's a super cute tooth. It's really fat though. And then the worms are super cute. And I forgot to use the glitter because I am a moron. I don't really know where I would use the glitter anyways. I suppose I could give them different colored irises. Or no, pupils. Iris, pupil. We'll get that. But yeah, it was a really cute kit. It was a lot of fun. It was super simple. This was probably a really short video, but you know, short videos are good once in a while. So I had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see the next kit. So see you next week. Stay safe.